step of f of x we will take first. At the end, if 1 is less than or equals to x is less than or equals to 3.13, then range of step of x is. Now students, listen carefully. We know that if x lies in between 1 and 3.13, then greatest integer function lies in between 1 and 3. Is it true or not? Yes. Then what are the possible values we can assign to step x is 1, 2 and 3. So therefore range is 1, 2, 3. Range of greatest integer function of sin x. Now here we want the range of greatest integer function of sin x means first we need to think about the inside function. Okay. So students, here I want to tell one thing very clear to see when we are doing domain problems and range problems. When we are doing domain problems, we will come from outside to inside. Means if you have some function like this type. So if you want the domain of the function means first we will think about the square root function. After fulfilling the requirements of square root, then we will go to the sine inverse function, then we will go to the inverse inside function. But while finding the range, we need to come from inside to outside. Okay. So here step of sin x is there means first of all sin x gives some output and we need to analyze that output by using this bracket. That's why the difference we need to understand while finding the domain outside to inside, while finding the range, outside to inside, while finding the range we will go from inside to outside. So first we will think about sin x. So what output does sin x gives? Sin x always generates in between minus 1 and 1. Now we need the status of step of sin x. Now step of sin x should lie in between step of minus 1 and step of 1. So therefore step of sin x is equals to the possible integers are minus 1, 0, 1. That is your range. Next question says students, range of y equals to step of sin x minus cos x. And listen. So here first we need to find the range of sin x minus cos x, which is a standard type. So we know that sin x minus cos x lies in between minus root of a square plus b square. So here a is minus 1 and b is 1. Root of a square plus b square means 2. And it lies in between minus root 2 and root 2. And we know that minus root 2 is approximately minus 1.414. That is sin x minus cos x lies in between 1.414. So now we want box of this one. So that is box of minus 1.414 to box of 1.414. One more point if you want means I will write like this, see. Box of minus 1.414 can be written as minus 2 is less than or equals to y is less than or equals to, so that value is 1. So that means the possible integers are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Is it correct or not? Next question. Range of y equals to box of logarithm of fractional part of x to the base 2. Okay, see students, we know that fractional part of x always lies in between 0 and 1, but so here 0 is not allowed. So fractional part of x we need to take in between 0 and 1. Now we need to apply logarithm. So of course base 2 only. So and here we will get log 0 and here we will get log 1. And here students we know that log 0 means not the exact value, log 0 is not defined. Then log 0 value will be what? We will check, see. So this is the graph of logarithmic function. So here we will get 1 comma 0. So here we will get 0. Now in between 0 and 1 we know that the graph is negative. So when x is very nearing to 0, logarithmic function is approaching which value? Anyone students? Negative of what? Minus infinity. Okay, listen. So when x is approaching 0, the graph of logarithmic function approaching minus infinity. That means logarithm of 0 we can take minus infinity, which is a limiting value. E is less than log mod x to the base 2 is less than log 1 is 0. So now y lies in between which two values? Or straight away we can write range equals to. So if the function lies in between minus infinity comma 0, then greatest integer function lies in between. Understand it easily if this is the question. If x belongs to minus infinity comma 0, then step x belongs to z minus. Is this correct or not? If log fractional part of x lies in between minus infinity comma 0, if you take the box for that one, then the result is z minus. That is all negative integers. Next question. Range of y equals to box of modulus of sin x plus modulus of cos x. So first we need to take some function like this type. Say let some a equals to modulus of sin x plus modulus of cos x. So you people have taken like this or not? What may be the range of mod sin x plus mod cos x? 0 to 2. Okay, now students I want to tell a blunder mistake generally where students will do is see, if y belongs to 0 comma 2, then 2y belongs to 0 comma 4. It is a true fact, 3 plus y belongs to 0 into 3 is 0 and 2 into 3 is 6. Okay. And if you have like this, sin x belongs to 0 comma 1 and cos x belongs to 0 comma 1 means sin x plus cos x if you take, it does not belongs to 0 comma 2. That is a mathematics blunder. So we will take square of this one. A square equals to. So then modulus of sin x whole square is sin square x only. And modulus of cos x whole square is cos square x. Plus we will get 2 modulus of sin x into modulus of cos x. So this is the part. And here we will get 1 plus, so modulus of 2 sin x cos x. We can write like this. So mod x into mod y is always modulus of xy only. So this is equals to 1 plus modulus of sin 2x. So this is the range. Now sin 2x value. So we know that the range of sin 2x is in between minus 1 and plus 1. But modulus is there means it lies in between 0 and 1 only. So if we add 1 to this one, then we will get 1 comma 2. So this is the status. So this is the status of what? A square. A square belongs to 1 comma 2. In between those two. So all positive values only. Then A will lies in between root 1 and root 1 means 1 only. In between 1 and root 2. So A means your question. Sorry, this part. So that means I will write here, see, So A lies in between 1 and root 2, that is A lies in between 1 and 1.414. So now A box you need to apply. So that means Y means box of 1 is less than or equals to box of 1.414. That means Y lies in between 1 and 1. So therefore the range of the function contains only one element, that is 1.